Have you ever finished your class early and run out of ideas on what to do next? Or had your computer malfunction and needed a quick, engaging activity on the spot? Maybe you've been searching for a good exit ticket to check your students' understanding of the vocabulary and grammar you've been teaching. Well, look no further. Today's video will answer all these questions and more. ESL Escape Room is an interactive puzzle-solving game designed for ESL classrooms. It transforms learning into an exciting challenge where students work together to solve puzzles and escape the classroom by figuring out a final code. The game is designed to reinforce vocabulary, grammar, and problem-solving skills in a fun and engaging way. This game was created by an amazing ESL teacher, Adam Riddy, who accomplished a truly Herculean task. He developed an expansive and invaluable resource for all ESL teachers. Please visit his website and support his work. As a fellow ESL teacher, I truly appreciate what he has done, and I'm supporting him with this video. All the links are in the description below. Be ready in minutes. It only takes a few moments to prepare. Whether you want the activity to last 10 minutes or 2 hours, ESL Escape Room can fit your schedule. Choose from a wide variety of grammar and vocabulary topics designed to match common ESL learning objectives. Whether you have 1 student or 100, this game works beautifully. It can be played individually, in pairs, or in teams. In just a few minutes, teachers can set up an interactive puzzle-solving experience that promotes teamwork while reinforcing speaking, listening, and reading skills. Start by looking through the contents page to find puzzles that align with the topics you are teaching. Most puzzles match common textbook themes, making integration into your lessons easy. For convenience and reuse, print and laminate each puzzle and store them in a folder. Some puzzles require playing cards. Print, cut them out, and keep them ready. Have clipboards available for students to take notes while keeping answers hidden. If clipboards aren't available, use notebooks. Choose 2, 4, 6, or 8 puzzles that fit your lesson. Note the single-digit answer for each puzzle, found in the answer keys. Place the puzzles on the classroom walls and clearly mark the starting and final puzzle. For added immersion, use background music or a countdown timer, which is available on Adam's website. Split the class into pairs or small groups. If you have your own classroom, set the scene as a real escape room scenario. Make it dramatic and exciting. Each team gets a clipboard for note-taking or simply uses their own notebooks. Explain the rules. Solve the 4 puzzles to reveal a 4-digit code. The first team to present the correct code wins. Walk around, offer hints if needed, and ensure students follow the rules. Keep an eye on teams using playing cards. Remind them to play fair. Once all teams finish, review the puzzles to the class. Let students explain how they solved each one to reinforce learning. Clarify any misunderstandings and celebrate their success. Okay, let's see ESL Escape Room in action. I'll demonstrate how a couple of puzzles work at different levels.
Okay, students, tell me the 4-digit code to escape the classroom. The puzzles are labeled A, B, C, and D. Replace each letter with a number. Go! Okay, first let's start with A. And I think I need to write out the names of the animals. So we have turtle, we have whale, kangaroo, yeah, cow, spider, and dog. Kangaroo is the longest word, so I think it should go here, yeah? Kangaroo. Here we go. Then we have dog and cow. I think it doesn't matter. Dog here, cow here, because we have O in the middle, and it's a 3-letter word. All right, whale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. So, I think it goes here, whale, yeah? Here we go. And we have spider and turtle. I think it should be 1 and 2. So I think spider. Spider goes here. Spider. And turtle goes here. Oh, and look at that. We have a hidden math puzzle. 1 plus 2 is equal 3. Excellent. So here we go. 3 is here. Good. Next one, next one, next one, next one. How many fingers are there? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hands. 1, 2. Okay, 22. 22. How many noses are there? Let's count the noses. So I think 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Okay, 4. How many mouths are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many ears? 1 and 2. Okay. How many eyes? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many feet? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hands? Hands. 4 hands. And yes. I think the answer is 8. All right. So here we have 8. Next puzzle. Next puzzle. Let's take a look at this one. All right. Okay. My mom's name begins with E. We have Eve and Emily. My parents have 3 children. Eve, 1, 2, 3. Eve has 3 children. And I've got 2 brothers. So Peter and David, it must be Emily. So Emily, and this is number 5, which means it's here, 5. All right, good. And the last puzzle, here we go. All right, let's take a look. I'm reading a great book. Where is the dog? Some children have milk for breakfast. He's got 2 sisters and a brother. There is an amazing baby elephant at the zoo. So let's see. We'll start here. The, nothing, and the. And that's number 9. Here we go. 9. We're ready. Teacher, we got it. The code is 3859, right? 3859? Yes, you got it. Perfect. Well done.
Before we start cracking these puzzles, I want to make a quick note that many puzzles at this level directly prepare students for the first certificate Use of English, parts 3 and 4. Exam preparation can sometimes feel repetitive or dull, but not if you transform it into engaging puzzle-solving exercises. Let's take a look. And there you have it. ESL Escape Room is an easy, engaging, and highly flexible activity for your ESL classroom. Whether you need a quick warm-up, a lesson extension, or a fun challenge, this game has you covered. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more ESL teaching ideas. Check out the promo link in the description to get 20% off ESL Escape Room materials. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use this in your class. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.